You might seen the iPad before, but I don't think you never seen anything like this. Check this out. Look at this iPad. So when you look at the outside, see there is no crack at all, not even one scratch. But when you open, this is what you see it. See the ink all over the screen. You cannot even see it. Half of the screen is black and half is white. You see the leather behind it, but nothing else, and it's jumping. The customer ran over with the car, but I think this is one of the strongest iPad because it didn't crack. The only problem it had the screen. So I'm going to change the whole screen, put the new one, and save everything that we can. Let's get started. Let's try to turn this off. Nothing. I don't think it's working. See, it's not sliding. But you see the letter, right? It's okay. Don't worry, I got you. I will cook the screen a little bit. We have to get underneath the screen so we can pull the screen out. Alright, I'm almost there. Nope. Here we go. It's a good one. If you play guitar, you know what I'm doing. This is how I play my guitar. Alright, that's my number one tool. Helper. What do you play? Comment in the section, I wanna see it. I got the white one too, so we're gonna put on both corners. So this way we can pull the screen. Let's cook a little bit more. Okay, we will slide this all the way down. Okay, nice. Same thing for this side. Here we go. Nice. Look at that. We're gonna take this bracket so we can take the screen out. Battery is disconnected. Pew! 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 Bad boy is out. Can you guess what generation was this iPad mini? Let's see how many of you is gonna know. Alright, we got the old screen here. We're gonna take the home button from here and we will transfer on this one because that's the new one. Alright. We're gonna use a little bit of heat. Cut it out. Got the new screen here. You want to make sure everything is working. You have to hear the sound click. Looking good. Let's put the screen back. Nice. Let's put the battery in. I will apply this glue. If you want to know what kind of glue I use, check the products in this video. I'm gonna let the glue dry and hold the screen with this. While we're waiting for the glue to dry, Ice can have some treat, right? Show some love for Ice. He's a hard worker. Good boy. The moment you all have been waiting. Your iPad is ready to search. Can I get a wow? You know, I don't know if it's a coincidence or what, but they all have this touch wallpaper. What do you guys think? Brand new again. Wow!
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shoot tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter.